What's up, you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Kia Sportage can take you to some really cool places, whether it be through bike riding, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer through most of North America. So let's go ahead and break down that really easy install for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. All right, guys, we're going to start by prepping the underbody of our vehicle for our hitch. We're going to start on the driver's side by removing this underbody panel. We're going to start by removing these two push pins using a flathead screwdriver. And there's a third push pin on the back of the panel right here in the wheel well. All right, now we're going to remove our underbody panel. We're just going to pull down. There's two more fasteners right here, but you just pull down on the whole panel and they'll come off. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. And if your white clip doesn't come out of your underbody panel, it's an easy fix. You'll just remove it from the vehicle by unscrewing it, and then you'll just pop it back into place. All right, now we're going to need to lower our exhaust. We're going to remove two rubber hangers towards the rear of the vehicle, and then there's a third rubber hanger towards the rear axle of the vehicle. And before we remove those rubber hangers, we're going to go ahead and support our exhaust using a support strap. We're just going to loop it through the cross member right here. And to remove our hangers, we're going to spray it with some soapy water. And we'll use our exhaust removal pliers to remove the rubber hanger. And we'll repeat on the other rubber hangers. All right, guys, our underbody is now prepped for our hitch. On the driver's side frame rail, we'll be using these 4 holes as our attachment holes. And it is the same on the passenger side. All right, guys, now we're going to bring our hitch into position. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as the hitch is a little heavy. All right, starting on the driver's side, we're going to go ahead and install our included bolts and conical washer, and we just want to make sure that the teeth on the washer is facing the hitch. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. All right, now we're going to go ahead and tighten and torque all of our bolts according to the manufacturer specification. We're going to be using a 17mm socket, and for the ones underneath, it helps to have a 5-inch extension. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. All right, now we're going to bring our exhaust back up. We're going to reinstall the rubber hangers that we previously removed, and we'll use some soapy water to ease that. And now we'll reinstall the final rubber hanger. And now we'll remove our support strap. All right, now we're going to reinstall the underbody panels on both sides of the vehicle. All right, guys, now that we have the hitch installed, we went ahead and pulled it down onto level ground to show you some measurements for your hitch accessories. So this is a 2-inch receiver, and from the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 5 inches, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 13 inches. All right, guys, that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. If If you have any questions or need more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.